Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover permanently deleted files from your Windows 11. You just need to follow my steps. First of all, as you can see here is my D drive. Under that, I will shift delete this image file and will click on yes. And you see here that image has been permanently deleted from my computer. So if you want to recover any permanently deleted file on your computer, you just need to open your browser and search recover over here. Then open this website and click here on download free version. And click on free download. Click on download. Now open the downloaded file and click on run. Here click on install and click on run recover. Click on next and here this will ask you which type of files are you trying to recover. In my case it is pictures. I will select pictures. If you don't know your file name, you can select all files and click on next, and here this will ask file location. If you don't know the location of your files, click on I am not sure. Next. And here you see this is list of all deleted files on my computer. So if you want to recover any file, first select and then click on recover. Now select location So hopefully this quick tutorial was helpful. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching.